Modric, 2-1 United. That is what he does in a flash. Worth his weight in goals.
Manchester United are reportedly very willing to pay a big for the potential transfer of Barcelona misfit Ousmane Dembele. The Red Devils are once again being linked with Dembele by Don Bellon, who claim the Premier League giants are prepared to pay as much as €70 million or 63 million pounds sterling for the signing of the French international. Dembele has had an up and down time in Barcelona, and there is no doubt it could be risky to spend quite that much money on bringing him to Old Trafford. That said, Manchester United clearly need to strengthen in attack, and it might be worth looking into doing a deal for someone like Dembele on loan, rather than a permanent deal. It remains to be seen if they're possible at the moment, with Don Bellon suggesting Dembele's future at the new camp remains in some doubt. United could be well to take advantage of that if they manage to get the 23-year-old back to his best. Though there's no guarantees that will happen. Dembele did once look a huge prospect at Borussia Dortmund, but big clubs will surely be concerned about taking a gamble on him after his considerable dip at Barcelona.